Today's class I'll be classifying animals based on their feeding habit. So here, classification of animals based on their feeding habit. So classification of animals based on their feeding habits. So how animals feed is what we'll look about. What we'll be looking. So we have the first one. We have carnivores. So we have omnivores. Three, we have herbivores. So these are the classification of animals based on their feeding. One, we have carnivores, we have two omnivores, and three herbivores. And then these carnivores can be also called carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals are animals that feed only on flesh. This particular type of animal feed on only flesh. So they eat only flesh. They feed only on flesh. Example of these animals, we have tiger, we have lions, we have hyenas, and so on and so forth. They only feed on flesh. When we give them any other thing, they don't eat. Then the second one, we have omnivorous animal. They feed only on flesh and plants. So these animals, they feed on flesh and also plants. Example of these animals, we have man, human being, feed on flesh and animal because we eat meat and we also eat fruit and other things, vegetables and so on and so forth. We have what we call pig. Pig also feed on flesh and animals also, and so on and so forth. All these are omnivorous animals. While herbivorous animals feed only on plants. They feed only on plants. So examples of herbivorous animals, we have what we call goats, sheep, we have elephants. So all these are examples of herbivorous animals. They feed on only plants. They feed on only plants. Carnivores feed on flesh. Omnivores feed on both flesh and animals. And then herbivores feed only on plants. You can call them carnivorous or carnivores, omnivorous or omnivores, and herbivorous or herbivores. All these they feed on different kind of things. This on flesh, this on both flesh and animals, this on only plants. See you in my next class.